Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into the best Aprilaire Filter 213 replacement, designed for Aprilaire whole house air purifiers. If you're looking for a high-performance air filter that not only protects your HVAC system but also significantly improves your home's air quality, this is the filter you need to know about. The Aprilaire 213 replacement filter is a genuine product made in the USA by Aprilaire, a leader in indoor air quality solutions. This filter boasts a MERV 13 rating, which means it effectively traps common airborne allergens such as dust, pollen, mold spores, bacteria, pet dander, and dust mites. One of the standout features of this filter is its patented self-seal technology. This design minimizes air bypass, ensuring that all the air passing through your HVAC system is filtered properly, keeping your home environment cleaner and healthier. The filter itself has a nominal size of 20 by 25 by 4 inches, providing a substantial surface area of 28 square feet of filtering media. This larger surface area means it can capture more particles and last longer than typical thinner filters. Installation is incredibly straightforward thanks to Aprilaire's unique interlock rail system. Unlike other filters that require assembly or additional supports, this filter slides right into place with no extra effort. Unpack, slide in, close the door, and you're done. This ease of use makes filter changes simple and hassle-free. The Aprilaire 213 filter is designed for durability and efficiency. It supports up to 12 months of filter life, which means fewer changes and more consistent performance over time. By removing airborne particles, it helps protect your HVAC system from dust buildup, which can reduce energy costs and prolong the life of your equipment. Furthermore, this filter is a proud partner of the American Lung Association, reinforcing its commitment to improving indoor air quality and lung health. Whether you have allergies or simply want to breathe cleaner air, this filter delivers consistent results. In terms of dimensions, the filter weighs just over 3 pounds, making it manageable to handle during replacement. It's constructed from synthetic fiber materials that provide superior filtration and durability compared to standard filters. To sum it up, the Aprilaire 213 replacement filter offers top-tier filtration with a MERV 13 rating, easy installation, and long-lasting performance. It is a smart investment for anyone serious about maintaining a healthy home environment while protecting their HVAC system. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in elevating your indoor air quality, the Aprilaire 213 replacement filter is a solid choice to consider. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.